Hello, and welcome to this orientation on completing your All-Stars Commitment Certificate. To download the templates for creating the Commitment Certificate, go to our website, www.allstarsprevention.com, and click the Site Map link on the left. Next, click on the How to Print Commitment Certificates link. And this will bring up another web page. If you are a PC and Microsoft Word user, click to download the files that you will need to do the commitment certificates. You will need to download files for Family Life Included or Family Life Excluded. Please check which version of All-Stars you are using and download the appropriate files. There's also a self-extracting format that you can use to download. In this example, I'm going to click Family Life Excluded and download the files. Save it to a place on your computer where you can easily access these files. 3 files will be downloaded. There are directions, which if you're viewing this tutorial you should not need, as I will be going through all of the directions. Commitment Family Life X, which is a table that you're going to fill out for each child for their commitment certificate. The heading is at the top. You'll put their name and their specific commitment for each of these areas. Please be sure that the commitment is specific. In other words, don't type in "don't do it" or "will not do it" for alcohol, drunkenness, tobacco, inhalants. If you do this, it will not be apparent what the child is committing to avoid on the commitment certificate when it's printed out. So instead of typing in "will not do it," make it more specific, such as "will not drink" or "will not smoke." Then there's another file that you will need as well, and we will go over that shortly. But I actually pulled it up. Here's the file you're going to merge with, and I will go over that shortly. So what you want to do when you're ready to do your merge after you've completed, and I'll do this in an example here. Note here that I'm making the commitment specific. In other words, for each thing or each part of this commitment, I'm not putting down "will not do it." It's being very specific so that it makes sense when the commitment is printed out. Okay. So what you do is you save this somewhere on your computer where it's easily accessible, and then close the file and start a new blank document. Then go into Mailings, go under Start Mail Merge, and then go all the way to the bottom and select the Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard, which should appear on your very right-hand part of your screen. Next, you're going to select a starting document. So you want to, on step 2, you want to click Start from Existing Document, and then maneuver your way to where you are on the computer and click All-Stars Family Life X document and click Open, and the template will open. Next, you will click Select Recipients. So at step 3, you're going to go to Browse, and then browse to the document with the table that we just completed. And this one is called Commitment Family Life X. And click Open. And there you see our example with Linda Smith. Each child's name will come up and will be listed. And you will see the headings, Ideals, Citizenship, Violence, across. Click OK. Click the Next button. It says Write Your Letter. Click through Preview Your Letters onto Step 5. And click Complete the Merge. Next, at Step 6 of 6, click Edit Individual Letters. And make sure All is selected. I'm not sure why this error comes up, but just click OK. It might have you do this several times. And then you will have your merged certificates ready. So in our example with Linda Smith, we see that her ideals were placed in here. In terms of her commitment to community, it is quite clear because we were very specific in typing in her commitments and what they pertain to. So you can see how it would not be a good idea to type in will not do it or will never do it, because we won't know what the child committed not to do. So these are very specific. I will not fight, I will not drink, I will not get drunk, I will not use tobacco products, and so forth. There are also small wallet size options that you can use. These may or may not be useful for you. They won't work if the commitments are too lengthy, and there will be some text wrapping. It will go into the next page. So, use your discretion as to whether you want to use the smaller certificates. The top one will be fine, but it may not be feasible to use the smaller certificates based on, it just depends on how lengthy the child is in terms of making his or her commitments. However, the top one will work fine with our perforated paper. If you have any questions on merging your commitment certificates, please contact us at 1-800-826-4539, extension 113. Thank you.